Welcome, engineers. Today we're exploring the Density Mass Volume Interactive Calculator, a fundamental tool for material analysis and component design. Whether you're selecting materials for aerospace applications or calculating buoyancy forces, this calculator streamlines the relationship between density, mass, and volume. Let's examine the inputs. First, you'll see the calculation mode drop-down. You can select Calculate Density, Calculate Mass, Calculate Volume, Calculate Mass Difference for two materials, Calculate Density Ratio, or Calculate Specific Gravity. For today's demonstration, we'll select Calculate Density. Next, we have the Mass Input field, where you enter your mass value. The mass unit dropdown offers kilograms, grams, pounds, ounces, and metric tons. The Volume Input field accepts your volume measurement, with units including cubic meters, cubic centimeters, liters, cubic feet, cubic inches, and gallons US. When calculating density ratios or mass differences, you'll see additional fields: Density 1 and Density 2 for material comparisons, plus a shared volume field for comparative calculations. Let's work through an example. Say we're analyzing an aluminum component. We'll enter a mass of 2,700 grams and select grams from the dropdown. For volume, we'll input 1,000 and select cubic centimeters. After clicking Calculate, the result shows 2.7 grams per cubic centimeter, which confirms our aluminum sample's density. This output represents the material's mass concentration per unit volume, critical for weight optimization, material verification, and structural calculations. The calculator automatically handles unit conversions between metric and imperial systems. One key insight: always verify your unit selections match your input values to avoid order of magnitude errors. Find the link in the description below.